displacement, right? On concrete envelope, click on new envelope, concrete, and OK. Select these load combinations. Okay, now go to the members, select all the members, go to members and Autocad members. That's done. Now go to groups and briefs, with a new brief as beam, click on OK. So here you can take all the main reinforcement, we can change on OK. Right, so after that go to front view, select all the beams. So now go to new design brief, select this as beam, click on OK. After that go to concrete members, design and design. So it has failed at the hogging and sagging, right? So you can see these beams. So it's unable to change, right? So for this beams, what we have to do, we have to change. So it's hogging failed and shear depth and also failed, right? So which beams are failed? This side beams are failed, right? So we need to change the diameter of these beams, okay? So select this, don't save it. Now go to modeling and go to general property. So you see here, show this okay. So I'm going to delete this one. So again go to define, select this one. On add, and another one I'm going to take this as 35 by 35. So I'm going to assign this. To these beams, okay. Assign and so, and then after again I'm going to assign this to these beams. So we have selected all these beams, assign and yes. So then go to analysis, run analysis and save. So it will done with 0. Now go to concrete design. So go to envelopes, click on new envelope. OK. This one, select this one, OK. Now go to members, select the whole structure, go to members, Autocad members, go to the front view, go to briefs, for new brief, it has beam, OK. Change the reinforcement diameters if you want, OK. Now select this, now select these beams, go to 3D. Now click on new design green, OK. And then go to concrete members, design and design. So again this will be acting with the hogging and sagging, right? So it's filled at main bars. So you have to do design layer. Products, briefs, edit brief. So we're going to change this to 20 mm, 20 mm. Shear reinforcements, 10. So on, OK. And new design. Now the concrete member, design and design. So design are possible, so we'll terminate for this. After that we have seen our design, right? So now we will go to our general design concrete. Yes, 4, 5, 6. Select parameters. Deselect all this. Compress strength, yield strength, and shear. Come OK. Find parameters. This is 25. FI is 500. And FI sectional as 500. Plus go to this. Design beam add. Design column add. Design slope. Take off. Add and close. Now assign all these to our structure. Assign to view. Assign and S. Assign to view. Assign and S. Sectional. Assign to view. Assign and S. Design beam. Select the beams. X. Toward Z. Assign and S. Columns. Element assign to view. Go to analysis and print. Add and close. Analysis. Run analysis and save. Now go to errors. So go to post passing mode. Click on done. Click on OK. So you can see the deflections of our structure. Movement about Y, movement about Z, XZ. Go to beam. So you can see the deflections, shear, loading, and properties, right? You can see the graphs for this. So, and the animations about deflection, click on OK. Go to dead load. Everything we will get defined. So we go to Staadpro output. So here you can see the result of a concrete design. Everything we can see at the top, bottom, and shear reinforcement. So these are diameter. So these are beam dimensions, top, bottom, sectional, and shear. This for the columns. What is the FU, falling, XU limit? Everything we can get over here, right? By pressing here. So if you go to the results and select the concrete design and the columns, so you can here see the concrete design. You go to the bottom of the lane. So here you can find this much of cubic meter of concrete is required for this, and the bars in weight, number of bars. So this is the top reinforcement, bottom, and everything we can select here, right? So after that we can see all this here, right? All the is 4, 5, 6 dimensions. This is the cross section of the beams. So what is the cover? So this is the beam cover of 25 and the column cover of 40. Is it right? So now we will design foundation for this. Go to foundation design. Click on include all. Click on run start foundation. So it will start the start foundation. Okay. So here we have opened our start foundation, right? Go to load combination. Go to generate load. Select Indian. Generate load combinations. Okay. Generate load combinations. Okay. Close it. Now go to job setup. Now create new job. Give it as something named 14 and isolated. I'm going to take this as isolated. We have different design codes like Indian, British, Australian, and Canadian. We are going to take Indian. Units are SI and it is assigned to all supports. These are the load combinations. It will automatically generate, right? Now place your arrow on this arrow. It will drop down. Click on this arrow, so it will include all. If you click this, it will. If you want to add only single, we can add over like this, but we want all the load cases. Select here and click on create job. So here it will be created the design. So click on concrete and rebar. We can change the dimensions. And this is the copper soil, the bottom clear soil, unit weight of soil, bearing capacity you can change according to our site, and this is the footing geometry. So maximum length and maximum width. So these are the footing width and length. These are sliding factors. Now go to design and click on this. So it will design our footings. So it has designed our foundation, right? So here we can see. So this is the design 1, 2, and here we have the footing number 1, length, width and thickness. So the bottom reinforcement for this and the top reinforcement, the main steel, and these are the pedestal diagram. You can see for the footing. So this is the foundation depth, soil depth, this is the ground level, and this is our column pedestal, right? This is the top view. So here are all the design parameters what we have taken. So hill strength, nominal cover, pedestal cover, soil type, so conditions, everything we can see over here, right? Want to see any separated, so want to see for fourth footing we can see over here. Here also we have all the bar spacings, right? We don't have any pedestal because it's nothing. You can get the detailed schedule drawings over here. So if you see here, so you can see over here like this, right? So these are the dimensions of our reinforcement and everything. If you go to GA drawing, you can get the, so this our foundation drawing, right? So the column replacement and the beams, right? So you can all the get details over here. So and then here you have the calculation sheets. So you can save this drawing as an Autocad file, right? Click on save, it will be saved. So here you have different types of file types. However we can want to save, we can save it, right? So we can print out this one, all the data required and parameters. So we have to save it. So we need to save this our drawing, right? So detail and schedule drawings we can get over here. So after that we can get all the import, well, like we can also import the excels or update the file database. So right, we can save this, so it will be changed, right? So backup will be created and it will ask for saving, we can save it, right? So if we select the calculation sheet, we can see all the depth, widths, and what are the factors, how it's going to act, what are the pressures at our corners, everything we can see, right? So this is how we can design a building with foundation. So this is our building, right? So this is our building with can see over like this with span of 20 meters. Okay, so thank you everyone.